Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, we're going to be breaking down 7 steps that you can use to start affiliate marketing right now in 2025. I have been full-time in the online digital marketing space for the last 7 years, helping people just like you get started. And in this video, I'm going to break down 7 steps that you can take right now that break down the entire affiliate marketing process and how simple it really is, especially right now in 2025. And if you stick around and watch this video all the way until the very end, I'm going to let you know my #1 program, which is literally responsible for buying my wife and I a brand new home. So let me break down the 7 steps for you and what I'm going to cover in this video. #1, understanding affiliate marketing. #2, finding affiliate programs or platforms. Step #3, getting your affiliate links set up. Step #4, creating affiliate marketing content. Step #5, driving traffic to your content. Step #6, getting paid through affiliate marketing. And step #7, starting simple. So let's go through each of these and give you an overall understanding and awareness of things that you can do right now, starting today, to get started with affiliate marketing right now in 2025. So step #1, understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically when you share a company's unique affiliate link. Every time someone buys through it, you earn a commission. It's pretty simple. Companies use this as a key part of their sales strategy, so you can earn money without directly selling anything, meaning you don't have to store products in your home, you don't have to stock up your pantry with lotions and potions and whatnot. It's pretty simple. You share a link, you get paid. Step #2, finding affiliate programs. Step 2 is about picking your niche. Are you into fitness, tech, travel? Find something that you are passionate about, then search your niche and affiliate programs on Google. You'll find programs from big names like Amazon or specialized brands like GoPro, Yeti, and much more. Step #3, getting your affiliate links set up. Once you've signed up for an affiliate program or platform, you'll get your unique link. Now, some of these you may have to pay for, some of these you may get for free, but do your homework and be careful which programs you select. It's super simple. Just go to the affiliate dashboard, create your link, copy it, then that's the link you will use to earn commissions. Pretty simple. Step #4, create affiliate marketing content pointed at your affiliate link. Now, create content that adds value. You got to remember what the end benefit or value is for someone that is watching your content. Share your real experiences with real products. It could be a YouTube video, a blog post, or even an Instagram post. People trust honest recommendations, so be authentic. Step #5, driving traffic to your content. This also goes back and ties into step #4, okay? If you're using a platform like YouTube, make sure your videos have the right keywords to rank in Google. The higher the rank, the more people see your links and the more you earn. Keep your content very consistent and very centered around the keywords that have to do with the niche and your specific product. Step #6, getting paid. When your referrals make a purchase, you get paid. Most affiliate programs have pay set up through platforms like PayPal or bank transfers. And the best part, you can get paid every month or even every week automatically. Now, solid programs that you can use here have this information and have the direct deposit information already tied in on the back end. If you find yourself having to use outside platforms like Stripe or PayPal, use those with caution, as they can lead to program shutdowns, as a lot of companies do not like third-party payment processors. Now, let's move on to step #7, which is starting simple. You don't need a fancy website to start. You just need YouTube, Instagram, or any platform to share your links and start earning. And the best part is you can do this without any additional upfront cost. Like I mentioned in some of the previous steps, you may have to pay for an affiliate link sharing program, but you don't need to buy any additional other services like email autoresponders, page builders, or any other things that they may suggest or try to upsell you on. It is really simple and easy, especially right now in 2025, to start marketing and sharing your affiliate links literally for free using the powers of social media. So there you go. That's 7 steps to get started with affiliate marketing right now in 2025. So what are you waiting for? Pick your niche, sign up for programs, and start sharing. Now, if you found this video helpful, please do me a favor and go ahead and like and subscribe, and also hit that bell icon so you can get notified anytime I upload new content. You, my friend, will be the first to know. Now, as I mentioned earlier at the beginning of this video, what is my #1 recommendation for affiliate marketing right now, today in 2025? Well, the program that I'm going to suggest to you is right down in the description down below. I will also leave an end card here at the end of this video that you can simply just tap on and move to the next video. This is the same affiliate platform that I share every single day on my social media accounts, and the same platform that is responsible for providing my wife and I a full-time income from home, and also help me purchase our brand new home right here in Myrtle Beach. Now, one of the things that I love about this affiliate link sharing platform that I personally use is it has the highest dollar per renewal per person in affiliate marketing that I have ever seen, which is one of the ways and reasons why I gravitated toward this affiliate program. Plain and simple, it pays the most amount of money every single month. So again, if you want that and you want to see my full tutorial and overview of this affiliate marketing platform, click the end card right here at the end of this video, or hit the link in the description down below. I thank you for watching, my friend. I appreciate you, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.